this video, you will learn the other kinds of direct and indirect speech. So let's start. The second kind of direct and indirect speech is imperative sentence. What are imperative sentences? The sentences in which we give order, advice, or stop for action are called imperative sentences. For example, leave my room at once. Never tell a lie. In these sentences, subject you is understood. In these sentences, all the tenses and pronouns are changed as it is, as I've already told you, but the new changes said changes to order, requested, asked, forbade, advised, urged, directed, suggested, and that changes to to. For example, the manager said to PN, "Get out of my office." In this sentence, you see the manager is giving some kind of order to the PN, just get out of my office. So we change in the indirect speech, like the manager ordered the PN to get out of his office. In this, said changes to ordered and the inverted commas changes to to, not in that. In the next example, she said to her brother, "Work very hard from today." In this, the sister advises her brother that work very hard. So we use she advised her brother to work very hard from that day. Here is the third kind of direct and indirect speech, that is interrogative sentences. The sentences in which we ask question are called interrogative sentences. In these sentences, what will be the changes? Said changes to asked, and tenses and pronouns are also changed according to the rules, which we are already discussed. Indirect interrogative will no longer interrogative. It will become assertive or positive. For example, I said to him, "When do you get up?" I asked him when he got up. I changed the interrogative or the question mark into the positive sentence. The fourth kind of direct and indirect speech is exclamatory sentences. What are these sentences? The sentences in which happiness, sorrow, grief, sudden feeling, and astonishment is present are called exclamatory sentences. For example, "Hurrah! Today is a holiday." What will be the changes? Aha! Hurrah! These type of words will skip. Said changes to exclaimed with sorrow or exclaimed sorrowfully. Yeah, if you are happy and your words, exclamatory words are happy, then you use exclaimed with joy or exclaimed joyfully or exclaimed with great wonder. What, how, these words changes to very or very great. For example, they said to us, "Hurrah, we have defeated your team in this match." They exclaimed with great joy that they had defeated our team in that match. All the changes are same, but hurrah, the exclamatory words are changed into the exclaimed with great joy or exclaimed with great grief. It will be changes into that words. Another example is, I said, "How foolish I have been." I said in great wonder that I had been very foolish. In this, you show some kind of wonder. The last type of direct and indirect speech is optative sentence. What are these sentences? The sentences in which some prayer or wish is present are called optative sentences. For example, what will be the changes in these sentences? These sentences are start from may and would. May is for pray to someone and changes to might, and would is for wished. You wish some kind of thing. Said to changes into prayed and would changes to wished. For example, he said, "May my son pass the examination this year." In this, he prayed that her son might pass the examination this year. I change may into prayed and my changes to her. The captain said, "Would that my team had won this match?" In this, exclamation or some kind of wish is present. So we change the captain wished that his team had won that match. Hope you guys enjoy this course and like this course. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.